Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Happy weekend, everybody. Hopefully a lot of you out there have the weekend off. Sometimes I have the weekend off and sometimes not. But never have a break from YouTube, which that's fine. This is what I like to do. So I had a request, and I've been hearing a lot of talk about this Rezzf on the OTCQB. O to the T to the C. I was listening to Naughty by Nature OPP earlier, so anyway, Global Battery Metals Limited. And this one is currently trading for 0.764, another penny stock, so kind of got onto a penny stock. A lot of penny stocks here on the channel lately. I didn't think I would ever go that route, but they've been kind of popular, and I've had some fun with them. I opened up a separate trading account, IRA account through Fidelity. As I've pointed out on my channel before, if you're buying OTCs, you can, of course, buy them on Robinhood. If you're buying OTCs on TD Ameritrade, last I knew they charged a commission for the OTC, so if you want to get around that, go to Fidelity. But you can kind of see what this one has done here over the last 5 days. It's had kind of a nice run-up from about 30 cents to, looks like it maybe did touch $1 here, so kind of some nice action and nice growth going on with this one. I had heard about this one and had too many others on my radar looking at them, and so now it's time for this one. So GBML is a mineral exploration company with a focus on metals that make up and support a rapid evolution to battery power. And as you follow my channel, love battery power and EVs, so that's where the money is to be made. That's how I look at it. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating a point and an opinion. They're listed on the TSX Venture Exchange and Frankfurt. They have 2 projects and option to acquire up to 90% of the Northwest Leinster lithium. And again, as you follow my channel, I've talked about lithium a couple times. Property in Ireland. A good one is Lithium Americas Corp, ticker is LAC. I've covered that on the channel. I'll try to link that in the description. And again, this just talks about Global Battery Metals is a mineral exploration company which engages in the acquisition, exploration, and development of precious and precious and base metal resources in Peru. The company explores for gold and copper. It has interest in the Lara and Leinster projects. Company was founded on December 23, 2005 and headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. This is their actual website. I think that's pretty cool. Battery metals are powering today's technology, and that's why I'm talking about it. We need to make a switch to renewable energy, and that's what we're all trying to switch to and make some money off of. We will have a positive impact as a key player in the green revolution. Our focus is on lithium, nickel, and copper properties. And here it talks about EVs, grid-scale energy, electronics, and defense and aerospace. 4 big things to make money on. Although my defense Boeing stock has kind of sucked lately, so, well, I should say for actually the last year, when I should have bought some at $90 last March, but didn't, so. If you're looking into the defense route, I suggest the ticker's LMT. The name just lost me. But anyway, it's LMT. Global Battery Metals. And right there's your ticker REZZF. Forward-looking statements. I'm not going to read all this to you. Feel free to pause the video and read that for yourself. opportunity. Global Battery Metals is focused on developing the Northwest Leinster lithium property located in the Republic of Ireland. And again, feel free to pause that and read for yourself. I have some other information here to go over. Global Energy Metals completes on royalty sale of Australian battery minerals portfolio, earns meaningful equity stake in electric royalties. And so there's just all kinds of information out there about this particular company, and I'm just kind of starting to research it. In regards to the price, I'm probably going to be picking up some shares. I started a penny stock IRA in Fidelity, and I'm going to kind of see how that does and compare it to my other IRA and just kind of play with that on the side and see what happens with it. So kind of something I've been thinking about here the last week with all these penny stocks breaking out. So again, I'm not going to read all of this one to you. Feel free to read that for yourself. That's actually on juniorminingnetwork.com. And back to Reddit. There's quite a bit of talk here on Reddit. Lithium mining company with zero debt, $1 million in cash, and extremely low market cap. So this thing could be huge. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just bringing some stocks your way, and so we can all make money off of it. Back to the defense, it came to me. I had a light bulb moment. LMT is another good defense stock. Lockheed Martin is the ticker. LMT, Lockheed Martin. Unfortunately, I don't have too many shares of that. I wish I could trade out my Boeing for Lockheed Martin, but it doesn't work out that way. So, but just all kinds of talk about Rezzf here, and always kind of a good resource to go to. And all this is pretty new in the last couple days, so a lot of people are looking at this one. So if you're looking to get into it, now would be the time. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating a point before it goes up like a lot of the other penny stocks. So as you follow my channel, popular one's been OZSC, and I have quite a few others that I've talked about in the last 2 weeks. This talks about the market by type, by material, end-use industry, by company, by region. And so just all kinds of information I'm finding out about this one. Actually, probably could have made 2-3 videos on this one. Announces the release of the report of global battery separators, and talks about the growth of 13% in terms of value during the forecast period. And just kind of some further information. This is where I found the most interesting reading, out of which the lithium-ion battery separator segment dominated the market in 2020, and the segment is expected to maintain in dominance during the forecast period as well. And so right there you have it, which can be attributed to its utilization in electric hybrid vehicles. Based on the end-use industry, the automotive segment is projected to lead the battery separators market during the forecast period. And again, feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. And moving on, this kind of talks about a non-brokered $500,000 private placement. At a price of 16 cents per unit to raise aggregate gross proceeds of up to $500,000 each unit. Will be comprised of one common share of the company and 1/2 of one share of the purchase warrant. And again, this is on the globalandmail.com that I found this, or you can probably just Google this. Yep, the Globe and Mail, MAIL, and you can probably just Google battery metals ranges non-brokered 500 if you want to read that more in depth. I'm going to keep moving on here. That's actually the same thing. Back to tip ranks, since it's a penny stock, again, this one doesn't give any ranking on it, but definitely one I'm going to be watching in regards to the price. And as you can see what it's done here in the last month, had some great growth. So we'll just call it 7 or 8x, it looks like. So looks like it was 9 cents, now it's 76 cents. So who knows what it'll be next week, but definitely one to watch. Just wanted to, if you hadn't heard of this one, just wanted to make a video about it and throw it out there and see who all has this one. And if you haven't, leave me a comment how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. And if you have any additional information on this one, would be interesting to know. And I'm just starting to research this one myself, and probably be picking up some shares, like I said, in regards to the run-up that it just had in the last month. So it's in the EV sector, so the way I look at it can't go wrong. So, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Do your own due diligence. I'm just throwing the video out there and making you aware of it. I'll have a couple more videos I think I'm turning out here later today, so be watching for those. If you haven't hit that like button, that really helps out the channel to hit that, as well as subscribing. And go ahead and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop as well. And I got a couple other ideas that I'm working on here. So, and again, thank you for all the support on the channel, the likes, the comments. Those are always awesome. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.